What's up guys, my name is Ramesh and welcome to Easy Classes tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take screenshots on your Windows PC. Here, I'm going to show you a simple pre-built tool that can help you to take screenshot. So before wasting time, let's get started. First, go to the Windows search bar and type snipping tool. So this is the app I'm going to show you how we can use this app, pre-built app, to take screenshot on your Windows PC. Open this tool and you will find a new pop-up on screen controls here. You can find new mode, delay and options here. So in the mode section, we can select rectangular selection or free selection of Windows or a full screen selection. So let it be in the rectangular selection as in my case, and I want to take a new screenshot of my YouTube channel and I want to take this screenshot here. So for that, what I'll do, open the app on screen and select new here. Click on the new option. Now it's ready to take screenshot. So you can select any area which you want to take screenshot. I will select this area I want to take screenshot. Now you can see I have selected this area, so the screenshot has taken now. If you want to modify or if you want to mark anything here, you can find markers or pen. You see blue pen, red pen, black pen. I will take red pen and I will mark like this. You can mark anything, and you can see highlighter also. If you want to highlight with the yellow color, you can highlight any content on the screen, and if you want to erase the modified thing, you can just erase them also. And finally, we have to select this as an image. So for that, you can find save snippet here. Just click on the save snippet, or else you can right click on the image and you can select save as and select the appropriate folder, and you can rename it and save. Here you can see I have taken screenshot of my channel by using snipping tool. If you want to take full screen screenshot, go to the mode and select full screen snip. As you can see, we have taken full screen screenshot now. So then go to the save option and select the folder and save and close the window. You can see I have taken full Windows screen screenshot by using the snipping tool. This is how we can take screenshot by using snipping tool on Windows PCs. That's it friends. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and also please comment, like and share the video to help others. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.